Friends, if you want to start and stop your Yaskawa drive local mode, when you press run key, your motor will run. When you press stop key, your motor will stop. And for frequency control, your drive should run at fixed frequency which you set in drive. Okay, for now we set 30 Hz of frequency. Okay, now when you press run key, motor will run at 30 Hz of frequency which is fixed frequency, and when you press stop key your motor will stop. It's a first mode. Okay, and second mode is when you press your selector switch or push button, that will start stop remotely and frequency control externally with port. Okay, now selector is on but frequency is 0. Okay, when you increase potentiometer, frequency will increase and motor will run according to frequency which we set in potentiometer. Okay, in second mode, start stop remotely and frequency control remotely. Okay, and third mode, your drive will start stop remotely with selector switch. When you press selector switch, motor will run, frequency control with fixed. Okay, start stop, push button and frequency will control fixed which we set. Now if we rotate potentiometer, frequency will not change because frequency set fixed. Okay, drive will run at fixed frequency. It is third mode and last mode in which drive start stop locally. Okay, with these keys start stop locally and frequency control with potentiometer. Okay, you can see when you press run key, motor is running. When you press the stop key, motor will stop. Okay, and for frequency control we can control with potentiometer. You can see when we rotate potentiometer, frequency is increasing and decreasing according to potentiometer. Okay, so in this video we will learn all 4 concepts in which how to do proper connection and how to set parameters. So let's start video. First is when we press drive should run at local mode and frequency at fixed frequency. Okay, so when you press run key, drive should run, and stop key, drive should stop and should run drive at fixed frequency. So for parameter setting, up key is press, again press PRA. Okay, PRA for parameter. A is blinking. Okay, so first parameter B101 which is frequency reference selection, because drive frequency should control with fixed frequency, so set 0 for operator keypad. Okay, for fixed frequency set 0 in B101. Next parameter is B102. Okay, B102 for run command selection. So drive run command should local mode. Okay, so we set 0. Okay, for operator. Now in this condition, drive should start stop locally and drive should run at fixed frequency. Okay, and we set frequency 20. Okay, when you press a run key, drive will run at 20 Hz of frequency which is fixed frequency. Okay, so its first mode is complete. Drive start stop locally and frequency with fixed frequency. Okay, second mode in which drive will start stop with selector switch and frequency will control according to potentiometer. Okay, so for this mode, first wiring, we take one connector from AC terminal. Okay, we take one connector from AC and connect a selector NO terminal, and NO output connect to the S1 terminal which is digital input. First we will program S1 also in this video. Okay, and for potentiometer plus wire connect in V plus connector, you can see, and potentiometer 0 volt connect. Okay, blue wire connect in AC terminal. Okay, and black wire is output of this potentiometer, so connect in A1 terminal. Reference of potentiometer connect to the A1 terminal. Okay, I hope you clear the concept of connection. For parameter, up key press PRA. Okay, first enter in B101 which is frequency reference selection, because frequency control with potentiometer we set 1 terminal analog input connection. Okay, so B101 we set 1. At B102 for run command selection, because we control drive start stop with external selector, so set 1 in B102. Okay, in this condition when you press selector switch, drive will run, and when we stop selector, drive will stop. Okay, you can see. And for frequency increase and decrease, when we rotate this potentiometer, frequency will change according to potentiometer. So I hope you clear the concept of second mode. Okay, for S1 digital input, we need to program this S1 terminal. So for digital input, first S1 H101 parameter for S1 terminal. So H101 we set 40. Okay, H101 for S1 digital input. So we set 40 for forward command. Okay, third mode, drive should start stop remotely and frequency at fixed frequency. Okay, so first enter in PRA. First drive frequency directly to B101, which is frequency reference selection. So in B101 we set 0. Okay, for operator keep it. Okay, now drive frequency will run control according to we set in drive. Okay, and start stop with selector switch. So B102 for run command selection. So in run command selection we set 1. Okay, now when you press selector switch, motor will run at fixed frequency. When we stop selector, motor will stop. Okay, you can see now when we rotate potentiometer in this condition, the frequency will not change. Okay, because we control frequency with fixed frequency. I hope you clear the concept of third mode. Last mode is fourth mode. In this, drive start stop with keypad and frequency control according to potentiometer. Okay, so for keypad start stop, first parameter is B101, enter PRA. B101 frequency reference selection. So set 1 for potentiometer. Okay, we set 1 for controlling with potentiometer frequency. And for start stop keypad. Okay, you can see for local mode. So in B102 we set 0. Okay, for locally start stop. In this condition, when you press run key, okay, drive is running in local mode. When you press run key, drive is running, and when you press stop key, drive will stop. Okay, run command is given by run key, and now in this condition, when we rotate this potentiometer, frequency will change. I hope you clear the concept of all 4 operation, how to set parameters and how to do proper wiring. If you like this video, please press like button. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today's enough. We'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching.